Hi, welcome to the Anthony Greco Show, where we talk about finances, faith, and current events. Today, I want to talk to you about finances. Now, as you know, I've been a real estate investor and entrepreneur for the last 40 plus years. So, I want to talk to you today about generating income by buying single family properties. So now you say, well, I've never done this. I don't know how to buy single family properties. I don't know how to manage them. I don't know how to calculate the price. I don't know this. I don't know that. Great, you're in the right place. So I'm going to speak to you a little bit today about how to, give you an overview, at least a broad overview of single family properties. So, you're going to find the property. You're going to go on Zillow. You're going to go on Realtor.com. You're going to reach out to a realtor. Whatever means that there's many ways to find properties. But let's say you're going to go on Realtor.com. You find the property. You like it. You're like, this looks good. You get the information. Now what? Well, now you want to look at the area. And then you want to look at, obviously, the price of the property. Does the property need work? If it does need work, how much? Does it need to just be painted and cleaned up? Is it a 3-bedroom, 1-bath? Is it a 2-bedroom, 1-bath? Is it a 3-bedroom, 2-bath? What are all those details? Okay, now you got to look at and say, okay, what is a comparable property in the area selling for? And those are called comps. So typically the best way to get those are from realtors because they get them off the MLS, but there are many other ways. Realtor.com, Zillow also can give you some comps. Now you want to look at the rents. So you are looking at this property and it's on sale, it's for sale for X dollars. You want to look at what can I rent this for? If it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, can I rent it for $900? Now, of course, it depends on where you are. If you're in New York or Westchester County or Long Island, you're not renting that 2-bedroom, 1-bath for $900. But if you're in Memphis, Tennessee, then yes, you are. So the area obviously will determine the rental price. Now, you have the price of the property and you have the rent or the approximate numbers. Okay. So now you come to the point of let's do the numbers. Okay, so I'm not going to give you numbers in this video, but I'm going to be doing a series of, buying rental properties and generating income. And eventually I'll be showing you on the screen, walking you through numbers. But for now, I just want to kind of talk to you about it. So you come up with the income, which is, what am I going to rent the property for? Okay, so you have that number. Then you have expenses. Obviously, it takes money to run a property, like any business. So, by the way, rental properties is a business. Now, your expenses are going to be your taxes, your real estate taxes, property taxes, your insurance, which is your hazard insurance and your liability insurance. The property management. Now, depending on where you are, the area you're in, depending on how many units, size of the properties, multifamily properties, the property management fees are on the lower end. Single families can go up to 8, 10, 12%, depending on the area, on the details, and what needs to be done. Now you have repairs and maintenance. You may not have it every month, but you have to factor that number into the equation. Okay. And the other item is what's called CapEx, capital improvement. So you start putting money aside for maybe you're going to need a new roof in 5 years, or new windows, or a new heating system, or unexpected big major repairs. Okay, so there are your expenses, your taxes, your insurance, your property management, your maintenance, and your capital improvements. Okay, very simple math. So you take your income and you subtract all your expenses and you're left with net operating income. This is what I'm left with that I can put in my pocket. Now, if you're paying cash for the property, that's what you're going to put in your pocket. If you're not paying cash and you're going to finance it, well, the NOI, you would need to subtract from that number the debt service, which is basically, in real estate terms, the monthly payment to a lender. Okay, and that'll give you the money you can put in your pocket. Now, If you're looking at one property, the number may be small. You may say, well, geez, I'm going to spend, let's use a number of 75,000 to buy a property, to just put like $50 a month in my pocket. Yeah, that's not a lot of money. However, you want to buy the property at the right price, so you're going to make money on appreciation. And there's many other benefits. So I'm going to talk to you about them right now briefly. There's depreciation, and there's different ways that you can file on your tax return as a, real estate professional, or, again, I'm not giving you tax advice here or anything, although I am an accountant, but I'm not going to give you that. So check with your accountant. But many benefits of owning real estate, whether it's a single family, a multifamily, a duplex, or commercial space. Okay, so that was a quick overview. I hope you found this information helpful and valuable. If you did, if you can like and subscribe, that would be appreciated. And if you can give me a comment, and critique, or questions. Like if you want to hear different topics discussed, I'd be more than happy to help you on that. All right. Well, thanks for listening, and I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you on the next episode of the Anthony Kreco Show. Bye now.